In this episode, we hang out on Cocoa Beach in Barbuda, then sail back to Antigua for some incredible hiking and New Year's Eve celebrations. Last time on Sailing Balachandra, we hosted our very first Sailing Channel live stream from here in Antigua.
If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Noelle.
And I'm Dan.
And we're Sailing Balachandra. We've sailed all the way from Nova Scotia, Canada to the Caribbean.
And we're sailing all around the Caribbean now, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, just go below this video, look for the big red subscribe button and press that button. Cocoa Beach is on the south coast of Barbuda and is a popular spot for cruisers with sand holding in 16 feet of water and a mile of undisturbed white sandy beach to play on. Zeus could run and run here. We spent an entire day here on Cocoa Beach.
This is also called Princess Diana's Beach, as it was one of her favorite places to catch some sun. I don't blame her. Look at this sand and this view. It's absolutely stunning, and the sunsets are incredible.
Hey guys, we left Barbuda this morning. We're heading back to Antigua because we have some rough weather headed our way. Just so close to Christmas. We were thinking about going to St. Martin for Christmas to meet up with some friends, but we're unsure if this is going to work out for us. So we're headed back to the mainland, Antigua, hopefully get some cell reception and figure out our plan. It's a little rougher than we anticipated today. There's quite a bit of a sea state going on. It's not too bad, but it was really hilarious me looking over at Dan a couple of minutes ago when a rogue wave just came out of nowhere and slammed him right in the face. You should have saw his facial expression. It was great. Dan wants to fish. I told him if he tries to take out that fishing rod, I'm throwing it in the drink because I don't feel like depowering the boat in this sea state if we were to catch something.
So we made it all the way down from Barbuda, and now we're in Antigua, and we sailed from the north of Antigua all the way to the south of Antigua, and we did that whole trip, Barbuda to Antigua, in one day. We left early this morning around 7 a.m. and now it's like 2 p.m. and we're coming around the bottom. We should be in English Harbor, maybe Falmouth. We haven't decided, one of the two. But we should be there in a couple hours. Not too bad. We covered a lot of ground today. We were doing about 7 knots at one point, kind of maybe 6 knots on average all day long, which is really great compared to the 3.5 to 4 knots we were doing crossing from Antigua to Barbuda. It's almost Christmas. We're still trying to figure out exactly how we're going to do Christmas. Either way, we'll have friends and it'll be good.
I was fortunate enough to go for a hike into the rainforest of Antigua, up to a lookout point with views of the bays below. Great place to watch sailboats just sailing. The trail wasn't too difficult, and it was much cooler in the bush. Zeus really enjoyed this hike, and so did I. We enjoyed New Year's Eve on board and were treated to a fantastic show of fireworks, just 300 feet from our boat.
Wow. How's he doing? Is that it? That's enough for the video. Before leaving Antigua, we went for a hike along the coast on the other side of English Harbor. This hike had everything from ocean views to cliffs to mountain climbing to fortifications and even a hilltop bar at the end, Shirley Heights, with a view of all of English Harbor and Falmouth. Easily one of our favorite hikes in all of the Caribbean.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this week's video, don't forget to leave us a like and a comment below. We enjoy reading those. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content.
That's right. And if you haven't checked out our Patreon page, it's always a good time to do so. Patreon's a place where you can give back if you like what we do and you want to support us. Thanks.
Bye.
See you later.